right. Construction workers, the heart and soul of New York City. The category construction worker pet peeves. And ladies and gentlemen, presenting tonight's top 10 list, 10 actual New York City construction workers. Come on in, Thank you very much. Happy to see everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Construction trades include, Paul, bricklayers. We have carpenters, electricians.
Love them.
How about this? Concrete finisher. You don't think of these things. You look at these skyscraping buildings all over Manhattan, all over New York City. These are the people that put them up. Pile driver, plumber, pipe fitter, welder. Welding is an art unto itself. All right, construction worker pet peeves. All right, we're ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome number 10, Joe Trimbali. Joe?
7 a.m. start time conflicts with my yoga.
Yeah. Pet peeves. Number 9, Hasley Darosina.
Tool belts make my ass look fat.
Number 8, Phil Ducatelli.
People see me in a hard hat and think it's okay to throw stuff at my head.
No, it's not okay. It's not okay to throw stuff at his head. Number 7, Eric McIntyre.
Battling rats with my nail gun.
Kind of fun, though. Number 6, Felicia McIntosh.
When I work at high altitudes, the tools talk to me.
That's right, the tools. At high altitude, the tools start talking to you. Number 5, Dave Bolger.
You finished a skyscraper at 1800 Broadway. Turns out it was supposed to be at 1900 Broadway.
Ouch. Boy, is my face red. Number 4, Anna Tavares.
Learning that one of your favorite traffic cones was run over.
Yeah, no. It's a sad business, really. Number 3, Nicholas Milazzo.
Show us with all 10 fingers.
Well, that's a poor attitude, really. Number 2, Barry Smith.
Having to shut a construction site down to read 10 top jokes.
Hey, get back. Hey, you, get back here. Barry, come on. You get out of there. Get out of there. Do it again.
Having to shut a construction site down to read 10 top jokes.
All right, come here. Hey, come here. Right there. Let's go. Take it away.
Having to shut a construction site down to read 10 top 10 jokes.
No! Leave.
Excuse me.
Do it.
Having to shut a construction site down to read 10 lame jokes.
Yes! Nice job. Thank you very much. Mighty. Do I have to do everything? And the number 1 construction worker pet peeves, Richard DeAndrea.
Co-workers who giggle at the word cook.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great weekend. There you go.